This is an International Harvester Scout 800A, and in this video, I'm going to completely restore this vehicle. This guy might seem to be in good shape at first glance, but as you look closer, you'll see that there's quite a bit of work that needs to be done. There's quite a few spots that are rusted all the way through, and it's pretty beat up. Let me show you what the inside looks like real quick. And no, it doesn't run. And that's actually my first order of business, is to get this thing running. And that's because I got this old Scout from some really good friends up here in Alaska, and we're gonna be moving back down to the lower 48 in the next few months, so I need to get this thing mobile. Now this guy did have an old plow on it, but I yanked that off and sold it so I could throw some new tires on it, so I could move this thing around once I got it running. All right, here goes nothing.
There's where the brakes don't work. Oh, broke that.
Now I know what you're thinking. Tires are so expensive, I could probably get a couple more thousand miles out of these, don't you think? She just won't stay running. And after I saw this rat's nest, it became apparent what the problem is. This thing's going to need a brand new wiring harness. And I want to do this the right way by completely removing the old wiring harness and some of these older components and replacing them with something more modern, which means I'm also going to need a new alternator. And out comes the old harness here, and this thing is completely shot. I don't think I could have repaired this, even if I wanted to. All right, she's running. Let's take her for a quick test drive. Now, before I haul this thing down from Alaska, I thought it was fitting that I'd take my friend Steve for a test drive. After all, his family did buy it new, and the next time he sees this, I'm hoping it'll be finished. All right, we didn't crash. Let's get her loaded up and we'll haul her down to the lower 48.